Hello friends, this is Deepa. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make basic and varieties of uttapam. So uttapam is kind of dosa only, but dosa would look crisp and thin, but uttapam would be soft and thick. So we can make so many varieties of uttapam. I will show all those in the upcoming videos. But today I am going to show you 3 varieties of uttapam, which is a simple and basic one. So to make uttapam, you will need a dosa batter. Here is my dosa batter. So you can check out my channel to know how to grind this dosa batter and how to use wet grinder also for grinding it. So click the link shown here to watch those videos, and I will show you now how to make uttapam. So first one is simple uttapam. So place a tawa on your stove, and once it hot, add oil onto it. I am using sesame oil, and this is a kind of cloth brush which my mom used to make dosas and all. So you can buy like this one, and once you added oil, just pour batter into the tawa, and you don't need to spread it actually, just a little bit spread, and leave it as a thick one, so that can be a uttapam actually. So just pour your batter and spread it a little bit, and now let it to cook. So you can cook for around 1 minute, and once you started to see bubbles on its top, see, you can see bubbles. So if you started to see bubbles on its top, it means the downside is cooked. So we can flip it to the next side now. So now turn it to the next side. Normally the uttapams won't look too brownish. It should be a mixture of white color and brownish color. So don't cook it too much, then the uttapam won't be soft. So cook it in a very low flame so that it should look with both golden and white color as I shown here. So you can see it's very soft actually, since I am cooking in a very low flame. So this is kind of a simple uttapam, and you can see it's nice bubbles on its top, and I think it's now cooked fine. You can cook it both sides for around 1.5 minutes, and now you can see it's nice golden and white color uttapam. So done with this basic uttapam. So transfer it to a plate, and next I am going to show you how to make a ghee uttapam. So for that, add around 1 teaspoonful of ghee onto your to your tawa, and spread the oil, and then add the batter. And as I told you earlier, don't spread it too much, just a little bit, and then leave it. And now we are not going to cook this both side with tawa. One side only will be cooking with tawa, and upper part I'm going to cook with this lid. So using a lid like this, just close the uttapam so that the upper part would be steam cooked and the down part would be a tawa cooked. So keep in mind that you should have to keep your flame in a very low, otherwise it may get burned up. So now you can see nice bubbles, and just cook it for around some more time, and you can check it whether it's cooked or not using a toothpick also. I will show you now. So using a toothpick, just do like this, and if there is no batter sticking to it, then your uttapam is ready. So since we are cooking upper side as a steam one, so keep your flame in low, otherwise you won't get a nice uttapam. So my ghee uttapam is ready now, and next I am going to show my favorite one, that is onion uttapam. So for that, pour batter and spread it little bit, and add in the chopped onion. Chop your onions very finely and just sprinkle onto the uttapam as we do for pizza. So just sprinkle on its top. Don't leave out any gaps, just fill up the whole uttapam with this finely chopped onion, so that you will get this onion in each bite. In using your spatula, just press it as I am doing, so that the onion would get sticked well to the batter. So now add oil on its top. Try to add oil onto your onions also, so that while we cooking next side, the onions would nicely crisp and nicely golden brown. So now I will flip it to the next side. You can see the down part is nicely cooked in golden brown, and upper part is nicely sticked to the batter. And now I'm going to flip it. You can see it's nice, right? And just cook it in a very low flame. Even if the onion gets burned slightly, it would actually taste very nice. So you can cook it for some more time also, no problem. Actually that burned onions would be very nice with this dosa batter. Now press it slightly so that the uttapam would get evenly cooked. Flip it to the next side. Yeah, so you can see it's a nice golden brown. My onions also cooked. Let me flip it. Yeah, you can see how nice it is, right? I feels like to eat now itself. Okay, so now your onion uttapam is ready. Let me transfer to my plate, and here is my 3 varieties of uttapam. This is a simple and basic uttapam, and cooked both side on tawa, and you can see it's very soft. And second one is a ghee uttapam, which is cooked one side in steam and other side with tawa, and it's nice golden brown and nice white color at the other side. And you can see how nicely it's cooked perfect. See, yeah. And other one is onion uttapam. You can see it's a batter is cooked fine and onion also cooked nice golden brown, so it's soft too. And so these are all the three varieties of basic uttapams, and you can serve this with sambar and some idli powder. So here is my uttapams. So friends, this is how you can make a variety of uttapam, and you can even make so many varieties with this uttapam. I will be uploading all those in the upcoming videos. So to watch all those interesting videos, kindly subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends so that they will know. And thanks for watching. I will catch you soon.